Alright guys, another bike in the shop, getting a Legend air ride system. It's an 03 Anniversary Softail. Had quite a bit of work done by us in the past. And this one has a very small air ride control switch actually added to the horn, so it's out of sight. You can also go with the option to have your air ride control put right here on your bars. Right now this bike is sitting at fully up. Of course, this gives you the ability to adjust anywhere from all the way up all the way down to whether you're one person or you've got a passenger. We'll drop it down and show you the difference, how much range you've got. That's the system that's dropped down. Now you hear the compressor pumping back up. You'll see it start coming up. Take it out for a ride and adjust it wherever you're comfortable. Park it and drop it down to get that low look. Once again, this is a full Legends air ride suspension system, 03 Softail. This system will fit 2000 and 2017 Softails. You want to get this system installed, hit us up, or you want to buy it, just hit the link below. Take you right to that system. BlueCollarCustomCycles.com. Give us a ring.